In this video, I'm gonna show you how you could upgrade your RAM for no cost whatsoever. A lot of RAM actually has about 50 through 100% more of its capacity than advertised. RAM manufacturers purposely lock them down so the ones with more RAM cost more. Today, I'm gonna show you how you could unlock this RAM that isn't used. This process is time consuming because Microsoft actually has a contract signed with the RAM manufacturers, making it really difficult to actually upgrade the RAM. Now, if you take a look at my RAM, I only have 2 gigabytes. Now, to begin, all you have to do is run the command prompt program in administrator mode and type in the following command: sys rmug space /s. Sys means system, rm is just a shortened word for RAM, ug stands for upgrade, and the s means scan. So when you run it, it's gonna say it's not recognized. This is actually a huge ruse. So Microsoft has to make this command to upgrade your RAM really hidden. So it's gonna say it's not recognized. However, it's actually a real command. When you run this command, Windows will generate a random number. If that random number matches with a number dependent on your Windows product key, this command will run. If that number doesn't match, you'll get this fake error, so people will think this command isn't real. It really is. I'm gonna prove it to you if you think it isn't. Now, to reset this random number, you have to reboot your computer. I'm gonna restart and cut that part out since I can't film while I'm restarting. So, yeah. Now that you rebooted your computer, simply open up command prompt again. Remember to run it in administrator mode. Now, once command prompt is opened, reinsert that command, which is sys ug space /s. Now, once you run this command, it may or may not run. If it does, you're really lucky. If it doesn't, you have to reboot your computer again. Reopen command prompt in that administrator mode and reinsert the command. If that doesn't work, you have to repeat that until it does. This may take 15 minutes all the way to 3 hours. I don't think you would like to watch this, so I'm gonna cut to when this is done. Ah, finally. Okay, now we can start to upgrade our RAM. Windows is gonna start to scan your RAM. Random access memory is basically what RAM stands for. I'll cut to when this is done. Alright, it's finished. Now it's gonna ask for the amount of RAM you want to add. I'm gonna type in 2048, which is exactly 2 gigabytes. Okay, I went over the maximum amount. I never used this command before since I didn't like to take the time. So I had no idea of the max amount. If I'm correct, that's exactly 1.5 gigabytes. So let's type in the most you could upgrade and hit enter. Now it's gonna start to upgrade your RAM. This takes a while. You shouldn't turn off your computer since it may damage your RAM. I'll cut to when this is done since it's supposed to take a long time. So, yeah. Okay, you have successfully upgraded your RAM. If you look at the amount of RAM I have, There's exactly 1.5 gigabytes more RAM than the amount we started out with. Thank you for watching. Be sure to like this video and tell your friends that don't know about my tutorials.